What's the best glue to use to attach PVC plastic to wood? That is a real question that I have today. I'm working on a project where I'm making a mini crosscut sled. I've already started it over there. I'm using 12mm ultralight ply and a piece of PVC trim, some 1x2. I ripped that down, got it sized to just how I need it. I'll do a separate video and show you what I come up with as I put that together. But it's not glued yet. I got ready to do it and I thought, you know, I better check the glues I have and see what I get the best results with. I chose the glues that I had in the Smart Wood Shop. I'm sure there's plenty of great glues out there, some 2-part epoxies and things, but this is what I had, and I knew one of them would be good enough. So I started with PVC glue, Fast Cap 2P10 without the activator. Second one with the activator, tacky glue, wood glue. So I've done all of those. They have been curing for over 4 hours. Now, as you know, wood glue will tack up in about 30 minutes, but you shouldn't put any real pressure on it until 24 hours. So I'm going to be pushing on it a little early. I'm just going to try to break these off with my hands and see which one holds the best. The PVC, this is the 2P10 no activator. Okay, that's definitely holding. And then I know the 2P10 with the activator is going to hold as well, but let's go ahead and try to pop it off. Tacky glue, so, okay, tacky glue, that's a no-go. And now the wood glue, oh yeah, popped right off. Eliminate that. But let's go ahead and put a little more pressure on it and see what we get. Okay, the PVC, I was able to pop that off and it did not tear the wood fibers. 2P10. Okay, the 2P10 without the activator, that actually broke the PVC with the activator. Okay, that actually popped off pretty easy, and it did, well, I mean, it held good enough, but it did not break up the PVC. I am going to go with Fast Cap Thick 2P10 without the activator. That's interesting that using the activator actually reduced the holding power in this situation. That'd be a good test to do on some other projects and see. It's easy to apply it, and because I'm not using the activator, it'll give me a little more time to get it set up exactly the way I want it. If you have any experience in gluing wood to plastic, then make sure you let us know in the comments down below what glue you have found the best results with. And also, what do you think about the 2P10 and the activator? Do you think the activator actually weakens it a little bit for the ultimate hold? If you like this video, you got anything out of it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. That communicates to me that you want me to do more videos like this. Also, if you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart bench, a smart station, any of the accessories that work with the system, or the Smart Wood Shop itself, there is a link in the description of this video down below where you can go purchase plans and then download them 24/7, 365. Mahalo.